Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampACrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks for joining me for another video tutorial today. On Thursday, we had our September card class where we featured the Pick of the Patch bundle with the stamp set and this fun little pumpkin punch. So today I wanted to show another project using this, but I'm pairing it with the By My Side stamp set. I love all the little kids on here. And so we are going to use the little boy today. Okay, we're going to start off with just basic black for our card base. And it'll need a piece of white to go on the inside. I don't even think, oh, maybe I do have a piece of white. I can cut that down in a minute. Okay, so we've got that. Then we have a layer of pumpkin pie. And then from the Them Bones designer paper, this is one of the panels from this sheet that has all the different little card fronts. So I've cut this just small enough to have a nice thin pumpkin pie border like this. And we can go ahead and adhere this down. We're not going to tiny ribbon. This is a simple, cute card, and I will post the measurements on my blog if you would like to see those and all the supplies. Okay, we'll just layer this. I mean, this is a gorgeous card as is. If I can get it on straight. Okay, so let's make our focal point. I'm super excited. I thought this was really cute. So I've already stamped the boy and I've cut him out. I cut off the little hairs on top. We're not going to need those. So let's go ahead and color him. I'm just using some petal pink for his skin. I'm just doing, this is the dark petal pink. I'm just going to do a little highlighting or low lighting. This is kind of a, okay, maybe the top of his knees. And then we'll color in with the light petal pink. I prefer petal pink for my skin tones. Okay, do his legs. Okay, I'm going to use, what color is this? Dark Lemon Lime Twist for his little shoes. We're going to pretend these are fun little green sneakers. Okay, and let's do his hair. This is number 300. This is from the, what are they called? The skin tones? Or the neutral tones on our blends. I'm just doing a quick color on his hair. Okay. I'm not going to worry about his clothes. I'm going to show you why in just a second. First, what I'm going to do is very carefully, hopefully, cut his little arms out. Now, I have not made this in a sample. Hopefully, this is going to work. We will see. I'm going to try to leave the line of the sleeve on there. So there's a little, can you see that? Little bit of black. Trim that off. Okay, there's one arm. We don't want to lose that. Let's cut off his other arm. Maybe I need to cut from this end so I can see the line. Have you guys guessed what I'm going to do yet? If you know what I'm going to do, you can post it if you think you know. Okay. Whoop, not all the way off. Why is it so hard to cut that little piece of paper off? I don't know. Okay. All right. So now our Armless Boy. So I stamped the large pumpkin right here, pumpkin pie on pumpkin pie cardstock. Then I cut the second smallest one out. This doesn't have a punch, so I just stamped and cut it out to save a little bit of time. And what we're gonna do is make a little Halloween costume. So I want to pop this up with a dimensional. Let's see, all I have are small dimensionals. I'll just stick this on here. Hopefully that's not too far up. So this covers his whole body, but leaves his little legs kind of sticking out the bottom. So he's gonna need a couple hands to hold his treat, although I'm not really worrying about that too much, but he needs to have hands sticking out of his pumpkin. So I'm going to grab my pick tool, hopefully, and just put a teeny dab of liquid glue on his arm. Just enough, and let's estimate it's right about there. Okay, and then we've got to do his other hand. All right, come on, little tiny pieces I don't like. Let's aim it this way. Can't hold on to it. No, that's not it. Where'd it go? I've lost it. His little hand, that's not it. There it is. Okay, well, let's see. I'm gonna estimate it goes right about there. Okay, we're gonna let those dry for a second. And we're gonna work on his pumpkin hat. So this is the largest pumpkin. His head is bigger than his body on these little cartoon characters, or cartoon-like characters. So I've stamped the large pumpkin. I'm going to punch it out. And then I'm going to make a little hat. So I want to keep that top part. Let's just take off this much. Can give it an angle and see. Oh, that looks like just about the right amount. Okay, we're gonna pop up our hat, but first I'm gonna just put these little dimensionals up there on his head. Let's punch a stem so it looks more like a pumpkin. I've just got some what color is this? Early Espresso scrap. And we'll punch a stem and put a little dab of liquid glue right there and pop that stem up. Yay! It looks so cute. And then we're going to put that little hat on him. Okay. And I think the last thing, I'm going to try this. I don't know if it's going to work. Let's see. Okay. His arms, you know, we have to cut out a hole out of the pumpkin if they're going to wear a pumpkin. So I'm going to try to attempt to do a little hole looking thing after I've already, probably should have done this before I glued the arms on, but there you go. I got to look at it. Well, not perfect, but from a distance, no one's going to know. So if you do this, just place your arms and then practice drawing a hole first. I think that'll be close enough. Okay, and we're gonna pop him up on, I'm gonna grab some bigger, let's see. No, we'll just use small ones. We'll get one on either side of his head since it's so big to stabilize him. And have him walking down. Now I don't have, let's see, maybe, I'm wondering if we could do the smallest pumpkin and make a little, that's kind of big. We can do something though. Let's make a quick trick-or-treat bag. You know, the kids always carry those plastic pumpkins. I know my kids had those plastic pumpkins for their Halloween candy. So let's see, maybe we can trim it down just a little bit. And we'll grab, oh look. I wonder if that would work. we have these little vines. Probably not. I bet I could if I tried, but we'll do something else. So let's cut out this little pumpkin. I think he's gonna be too big, so we'll just trim him down a little bit to the size we need, and then make it into a bucket. Okay, a bucket's gonna have a little notch. Yep, that's a little big, so let's just gotta make it to scale. I didn't cut that very straight. That's a little bit bigger. Okay, we're gonna grab some black linen thread. Now look at my linen thread bucket. And let's just get a teeny bit of linen thread. This is from the, is it Basics assortment? Something like that. I'm going to just use, whoops. Try to get some adhesive on here to stick my string to. All right. You can't have a big string because there's not much room. And we'll just pretend like that is attached to his hand. His hands look a little bit weird, but that's how they were on the stamp, so we're just gonna go for it. Okay, I'm gonna glue this right here and attach it right there to his hand. And we'll let that dry. Cute! Okay, let's do a quick happy Halloween. And I have that out. Here it is. Okay. I had a few of these left over, so we're just gonna grab one of these and stamp Happy Halloween. I can't see the edges, so let's just do this. All right, we'll pop this up as well. Pop that up. I don't want to cover up too many of the bats, so let's put that right about there. And then if you really want to embellish, I've got these neutral sequins, which I love because they come in bronze, copper, gold, and silver. I have used my bronze and copper all fall so far, so I'm just going to use a couple of the silver because they look a little bit like shiny stars in here. I'm just putting two because we have plenty of stuff on there. So anyway, that is another way that you can use the Pick-a-Patch pumpkin set. And just remember, if you place a $50 order by next Thursday, you're going to receive a kit of the Thursday card class for free, and you'll get a pack of the solid adhesive back gems. And with the $35 order, you'll get at least the card kit for free. All right. Thanks, everyone. Oh, my phone keeps sliding back the wrong way. All right, thanks everybody. Make sure to check back Monday, and I've got another fun project using the Pick-a-Patch pumpkin set. All right, bye-bye.